Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, you remember last time हमने Swiss Beauty की Craze वाली range के ऊपर वीडियो की थी and उसमें एक palette था which was this was the Craze eyeshadow, जिसमें से एक और उसमें एक ये blush था which was lip and cheek macaron, which is this very pretty blush, right? So let's review this. Okay, let's get into the video. Let's go. Now this blush, let me show you how it looks from inside because I think everything is inside. This is very pretty. Now मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा exactly कैसा, but I do believe कि इस तरह का कोई एक blush इस same packaging में exist करता है from some international brand. I will do a little bit of research and I will put picture if I find anything, right? So this is that. So ये है shade, I think I got the shade apple pie, right? इसके अंदर बहुत सारे colors थे. There were a little bit of brownie tones, pink tones and everything. So I got which was a little bit more coral-ish, like corally shade था. Shade number 3, apple pie. Now this costs only, yeah, it's 299 rupees. So 300 rupees में आपको एक बहुत ही pretty creamy blush मिल रहा है. 3 grams है ये, ठीक है? I think which is not bad, like it's pretty. Like अगर मैं सिर्फ इस पैकेजिंग के बेसिस पे देखूँ तो अगर कोई मुझे ये 900 रुपए का भी बताएगा तो मैं मान लूँगी because the packaging screams costly, right? But because this is Swiss Beauty with purple, it is very cost effective. It's only 300 rupees, right? So it says it is matte finish, it moisturizes lips and nourishes. Oh, I didn't apply it on the lips. Now I applied this blush both with foundation and without foundation, okay, to see how it looks bare skinned and to see how it looks on the top of your foundation. So I applied it with fingers, I applied it with a blender, I applied it with a brush as well. So हम first scenario देखते हैं. I'll shift a little bit this side because मैं यहाँ पर pull करूँगी उस reel को. So I applied it bare-faced with my fingers and let me tell you, it is so easy to blend. देखो इतना प्यार से blend हो गया in my skin. मुझे उसको बिल्कुल खींचना नहीं पड़ा, मुझे उसको रगड़ना नहीं पड़ा, and a little bit of tap and it's just blended seamlessly. It was so easy to blend. Like अगर आप बिल्कुल beginner हो, आपने कभी blush लगाया नहीं है ना, this will be so easy to blend for you. You will have so much fun, right? Then I wanted to try it with the brush. Now I definitely felt कि जब मैंने इसे फिंगर से अप्लाई किया था तो इसकी पिगमेंटेशन सबसे बेस्ट आई थी. इट वाज बिकॉज कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हुआ था ब्रश पे या ब्लेंडर पे. सो विद फिंगर्स इट वाज सीमलेस, इट वाज प्रिटी, इट वाज रियली नाइस. देन विद ब्रश जब मैंने अप्लाई किया तो थोड़ी सी पिगमेंटेशन कम हो गई थी बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ब्रश ने थोड़ा सा एब्जॉर्ब किया था, बट नॉनदलेस इट ब्लेंडेड सीमलेसली. It was looking really pretty. It was good. I am not sure if it sits matte on the skin. Like I'm not sure about the matte part because मुझे matte तो नहीं लगा था, right? I mean, मैंने अपने cheeks वाले area को set भी नहीं किया था and I don't see the matteness. Like I'm not wearing a highlighter but I don't see any matteness at all. Yeah, so I don't think it was matte. It is pretty like little bit creamy dewy. Matte मुझे नहीं लगा, okay? Then I applied it on top of the foundation, right? So I applied with blender because मुझे foundation के ऊपर उसको बहुत ज़्यादा fuck up नहीं करना था. So I applied with blender and obviously blender ने भी product थोड़ा सा absorb किया, but again seamlessly blender के साथ वो लग गया, right? I think blender के साथ उसकी application बहुत natural, बहुत pretty आई थी. So even with blender, I think I really loved it. With brush, with fingers, with blender, जो भी आपको चाहिए आप उसके साथ इसको apply कर सकते हो. It will give you a seamless application nonetheless. Now it doesn't give you a matte finish. So if you are somebody who likes matte finish, this, I don't know, like I'm not sure if it is giving that. I am seriously not sure. I'm not going to lie, right? But I do feel कि जिन लोगों को थोड़ा dewiness पसंद है ना, उनको ये अच्छा लगेगा because it gives you that dewiness, right? That creaminess. It doesn't make your skin dry and lifeless. It sits very well on the skin. That is what I'm saying. Because you know कुछ blush होते हैं वो उतने अच्छे fragrant नहीं लगते. आपकी foundation को नीचे से निकाल लेते हैं. It didn't do anything. It was sitting seamlessly on the top of my makeup. So a big thumbs up. This is it guys. I don't have a lot to talk about this blush because बहुत simple sweet सी video है. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बात करने के लिए नहीं है, right? So I'm not going to waste time. I have given you my review. I really like this blush and I would extremely recommend this. right? So if you want, you can give it a try. I highly recommend this product from this range. इस Craze की पूरी range में से I think मैं सबसे ज़्यादा impressed इस blush के साथ हुई हूँ. I really loved it. So if you want to try it out, you can definitely give it a try. It's a big thumbs up from my side. If you want to buy this blush, I will give you the link in my description box. You can definitely check it out. It's going to be an affiliate link. So yeah, that is that. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye.